Nano-nuclear energy followers mark January 15th on your calendars because their senior executives will attend and lead a company presentation at the upcoming 27th Annual Needham Growth Conference held at the Lotte NY Palace Hotel in New York. The conference features presentations, chats, panels, and meetings for qualified investors throughout the week. Then, SoFi plans to host a conference call on Monday, January 27, 2025, at 8 a.m. Eastern Time to discuss its financial and operating results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. The company will release its Q4 and FY 2024 results at approximately 7 a.m. Eastern Time on the same day on its investor relations website. As for SoundHound, it has unveiled an in-vehicle voice commerce platform that will allow drivers to order takeout directly from their car's infotainment system. The feature is being showcased at CES 2025, with the ability for attendees to try it and experiment with integrated ordering from a range of national restaurant chains. SoundHound is in talks with automotive manufacturers to pilot this first-of-its-kind ordering channel, which delivers voice transactions and convenience to the digital cockpit. The company aims to launch its voice commerce ecosystem in collaboration with automakers and restaurant partners next year. In other news, AST announced an agreement for long-term access to up to 45 megahertz of lower mid-band spectrum in the U.S. for direct-to-device satellite applications. The deal, expected to occur during H1 2025, will add capabilities to AST's technology and space-based network based on the largest ever communications arrays deployed in low Earth orbit. Now on to Tempus AI, which has entered into a collaboration with RNA biomarker company Genialis. The multi-year deal enables Genialis to utilize Tempus's multimodal dataset to develop new RNA-based algorithms spanning multiple cancer types. Genialis's AI foundation model, the Genialis TM supermodel, uses data from 1 million RNA sequencing samples representing globally diverse patients to produce accurate and informative biomarker algorithms aimed at assisting biopharma with therapeutic development. To validate Genialis's large molecular model, Tempus real-world multimodal data will be used. In return for access to the Tempus Analytics platform, Tempus gains the right to evaluate and potentially license Genialis-developed algorithms for commercialization as part of its XR platform. For more on Tempus AI and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.